Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the various things, and let us start with a new chapter known as fiscal and monetary policy. What is the fiscal and monetary policy? The fiscal and monetary policy is governed to control the inflation and incur expenditure. Okay, let us build the basic prelims questions. Consider the following statement in regard to the goods and services tax. Okay, goods and services tax been levied, then exercise VAT, occupancy services tax, etc. will be likely to go away to make a single taxation system. The GST is there, so these statements are correct. Okay, GST in India will be divided between the state and center. Also there, these statements are correct. Asking what the correct statements, so 1 and 2 are correct statements, so answer is D. Okay. Which of the following statements are correct? The formation of 6-member monetary policy committee by the Union Government of India under the section of the Reserve Bank of India RBI Act 1934. RBI Governor is the chairperson of the Monetary Policy Committee. As Monetary Policy Committee has been given a task for fixing the benchmark policy repo rate required to control inflation. Yes, the meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee will be held at least not 3 times, okay, or at least 4 times a year. So these statements are incorrect. Out of 6 member, 3 member will be from the RBI and 3 member will appointed by the central government. Yes. Asking about the correct statements, 1, 2 or 4 correct statements. So answer is A. Thank you. Thank you. With reference to a step taken to achieve financial inclusion in India, consider the following statements are correct. Scheduled Commercial Bank Initiative to masses, yes. Formation of RRB Regional Rural Bank, yes. Adoption of the village by the bank branch, yes. Asking all the correct statements, 1, 2, 3 are correct statements, so answer is D. Which among the following is are correct? Indirect tax levied by the central state. Indirect taxes include excise tax, yes. Custom duties, yes. Service tax, yes. Property tax is the personal tax and indirect tax. And income tax is also personal in nature, so this is also direct tax. Asking what is the indirect tax, so 1, 2, 3 are direct tax, indirect tax, so answer is B. Consider the following recommendation of the SOM committee, which was appointed to look into the guidelines of the general anti-avoidance rules. Okay. First statement, to correct anomalies in the statute of the tax law, yes. To protect the tax base from the evasive tax planning a scheme with the purpose to avoid taxes, yes. To correct technical procedure defects that impair substantive law, yes. Asking about the correct statements, 1, 2, 3 are correct statements, so answer is D. The acronym SRO being used in the capital market for various market participants. What is the full form of SRO? SRO is the Safety Regulatory Organization. So answer is A. When RBI announces an increase in the cash reserve ratio, it means commercial bank will have less money to lend. These statements are correct. Okay. The RBI will have the less money to lend. These statements are incorrect. The Indian government will have the less money to lend. These statements are incorrect. The commercial bank will have the more money to lend. These statements are incorrect. Asking what the correct statements, only A. Okay. Consider the following statement regarding fiscal policy. Contradiction: fiscal policy involves government spending exceeding tax revenue. These statements are incorrect because contradiction fiscal policy involves that the spending not extending the tax revenue. Okay. Expansionary fiscal policy occurs when the government is spending more than the tax revenue. So this is the reverse contractionary policy, and the expansionary policy. So both 1 and 2 are incorrect statements. Asking or correct statement, none of them are correct. So answer is D. Consider the following statements with regard to a statutory liquidity ratio. To meet a statutory liquidity ratio, commercial banks can use cash only. This statement is incorrect because it is for in the cash form, gold form, and other security purpose. So first statements are incorrect. SLR is maintained by the banks with themselves. SLR restrict the banks leveraging in the pumping more money into economy. So second and third statements are correct. So correct statement is 2 and 3. So answer is C. Which of the following economists have been appointed as the member of the Monetary Policy Committee by the Appointment Committee of the Cabinet? What is the name of that? Is the Pamai Dua Chetan. This is the old question, so skip that. Okay. Consider the following option regarding the recommendation of the Syama Gopinath Committee on the Post Office. The interest rate on the fixed deposit for 1 and 2 years has been increased to 8.5% from the present 8.2%. Yes, the interest rate of the public provident fund has been kept unchanged at 8.7%. Yes, the rate on the national savings scheme with the 5 to 10 maturity period also unchanged. The rate of the 5-year monthly income scheme be changed to 8.4%. So asking what the correct statements, 1, 2 or 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. Consider the following statements about the sinking fund. It is a method of the repayment of the public debt. These statements are correct. It is created by the government out of budgetary revenues every year. So this statement is incorrect because not every year. Okay. So asking all the correct statements, only one correct statement. So answer is A. Match the following statements. Okay. 11th Finance Commission, 12th Finance Commission and 13th. 11th Finance Commission come in 1998 and 12th Finance Commission come in the 2012 and 13th Finance Commission come in 2007 and the 14th Finance come in 2013. So asking about the correct matching. Okay, what is the correct matching? Jo C, answer D. So answer is D. Match the following statements with the different types of finance commission and the headed by. Okay, you know that the 11th Finance Commission. So 11th Finance Commission is headed by A.M. Khusro, and the 12th Finance Commission is headed by the C. Rangarajan, and the 13th Finance Commission is headed by Dr. Vijay Kelkar, and the 14th Finance Commission is headed by Yaga Venugopal Reddy. So 1A, 2B, 3rd C, 4D. So answer is B. Consider the following statements regarding 14th Finance Commission. Okay, 14th Finance Commission, it would recommended on the sharing of the tax proceeds between the center and states, which will be applied for 5-year period beginning from April 2015, not 2014. So first statements are incorrect. To suggest steps for pricing of public utilities such as electricity and water. So these statements are correct. It would review the state of the finance deficit and debt levels of the center and the states. Yes. Asking about the correct statements. So 2 and 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. Read the following statements about the government subsidies in India. Subsidies aim at making basic necessity at affordable to the poor people through the extension of consumer services. Yes, a subsidy should be uplifted after the achieving its specific development objectives. Yes, higher subsidy expenditure increase physical and the revenue deficit. Yes, subsidies in no way contribute to inflation. This statement is incorrect because subsidy contribute to the inflation. So asking what the correct statements 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Why the following statements with the what is the physical deficit, what is the budget deficit, what is the revenue deficit, and what is the primary deficit? Okay. Physical deficit, excess of total expenditure over total receipt less borrowing. So these statements are directly matched. Okay. Budget deficit, what is budget deficit? Excess of total expenditure over total receipt. And the revenue deficit, what is the excess of the revenue expenditure over revenue receipt. What is the primary deficit? Excess of the total expenditure over total receipt less borrowing and the interest payment. So it 1 match with A, 2 is match B, 3 match with C, and 4 match with D. So asking about the correct statement. So answer is B. Okay. Read the following statement. The answer the following given is correct or not. Okay. Bond price and interest rate vary indirectly. Yes. Tax on the personal income reduces disposable income. Yes. Siege laws says that demand created its own supply. These statements are incorrect. Asking all the correct statements 1 and 2 correct statements. Answer is A. This is a skip question. So thank you for discussion. Next meeting in the next video. Thank you.